Hey family, welcome to Ollie's Kitchen. Today we are going to make spaghetti and chicken. I started by boiling chicken, then I used the water I boiled chicken in to boil my spaghetti. Then I added in salt. Then I let it to boil for some minutes. I think it was just like 20 minutes and they were done. As you can see here, they were all boiled, so I put it on a side, and then I got another pan. I put in cooking oil. You can use any you have. Then I let it simmer for some few minutes. Then I added in onions and then I mixed them. Then after I added in green pepper and then I started mixing them. Then after I added in carrots and I mixed them together. And after I added in tomatoes, and then I started mixing them together. After I added in some salt, a little bit of it, then I kept on mixing. Then after I added in curry powder, I kept on mixing them. As you can see here, they were getting softer. Then here I added in Royco and then I kept on mixing them. As you can see here, they are coming out so good. See how they are looking. Here I added in my chicken and I started mixing them. After I covered them for a few minutes, then again I opened them and I mixed them again. Here you can see how they were getting ready and how they're looking so good. But after I covered them again and I uncovered them and I prepared my spaghetti and I added in the spaghetti and the ingredients and then I started the mix. As you can see here, they were getting ready. They were turning out so good. Oh my god. This spaghetti was so yummy with the chicken. It was so good, so yummy. I really enjoyed it and my family really enjoyed it. So guys, thanks for watching. If you really enjoyed this video, like, comment, subscribe and share. Bye.